Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 inverter welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Inverter Pulse Single Phase 250A MIG Welding Machine. Product details. Brand name, KOA. Weight, 8.68. Model number, MIG 200P. Is smart device? No. Dimensions, 415 x 185 x 300. Usage, MIG ARC TIG welding. Plug type, EU plug. Item number 2 is CT418 Inverter 220V Plasma Welding Machine. Product details. Brand name, HMZDRZQL. Certification, CE. Origin, CN Origin. Input voltage, 110 220ths of a volt plus minus 10%. Rated current, 10120A. Usage, cut, TIG, MMA. Dimensions, 390 x 480 290 mm. Model number, CT418. Motor type, DC motor. On the top of our list at number 1 we have KOA MIG 120 Portable Welder Welding Machine. Product details. Brand name, KOA. Weight, 7.46 kilograms. Model number, MIG 120. Dimensions, 370 x 155 x 290. Input voltage, AC 220 Van Plusen. 15% 50/60ths of a Hertz. Rated input power, 3.5 kVA. Rated input current, 16A. Output current, 2120A. No load voltage, 56 volts. Duty cycle, 40% 48A, 70% 84A. Color, orange. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.